Hello, little explorers. Today we're going on a chilly adventure to the icy world of Antarctica. Can you guess who lives here? That's right, penguins! And not just any penguins. We're going to meet baby penguins, also called chicks. It all starts with a tiny egg. The penguin mommy lays it, but guess what? In some penguin species, like the emperor penguin, it's the daddy who keeps the egg warm. He balances it carefully on his feet and covers it with a cozy flap of skin. No soft nests here, just icy snow and love. After weeks of waiting, crack, 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 out comes a little gray fluffy chick. Baby penguins don't look like their parents right away. Instead of sleek black and white feathers, they have fuzzy down to keep them warm. Baby penguins are hungry all the time, but they can't catch fish yet, so how do they eat? Their parents swallow fish, squid, or krill, and then they bring it back up for the chick to eat. It may sound yucky, but for the baby penguin, it's the tastiest dinner in the world. As the chicks grow, the parents need to find more food, but they can't leave their little ones all alone. So what do baby penguins do? They join a group called a creche, like a big penguin daycare. Hundreds of chicks huddle together to stay safe and warm. They waddle, play, and wait until their parents return with food. As weeks go by, baby penguins start to change. Their fuzzy down feathers fall off, and shiny waterproof feathers grow in. This is a big moment, because it means they can finally go swimming in the icy ocean. Splash! With their new feathers, the young penguins are ready for their first swim. At first, they're a little clumsy, but soon they dive, splash, and zip through the water like rockets. Now they can catch their own fish and take care of themselves. Baby penguins aren't babies anymore. They're ready to join the big world of penguins. From a tiny egg to a fluffy chick, and finally to a strong swimmer, the journey of a baby penguin is full of love, teamwork, and adventure. Aren't they amazing? So next time you see a penguin, remember, they started as a little gray fluff ball, chirping for food. Did you enjoy learning about baby penguins? If you loved this chilly adventure, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe Bright Minds Kid for more amazing animal stories.